This is the last lecture of our course. Now we can look around what we have created and what we have learned. The website we have created, it looks like something this. Okay. So yeah, it's better for learning purpose. There's some page, some blog, contact option. Let me open this new page. This is our blog page. You can read it here. This is our contact page, a basic contact page. Okay. We have also a about page. This is our blog page. You can look around that, who posted this post, when, date, and something like if you want to share, just you can also share it from here. Someone can comment on this. And this is our about page that we have created from a template. We didn't write a single word here. We just learned how to use a template. You can also customize this, but now it's better for us. Okay. So I hope you learn a lot from here. We have completed our course on web development from scratch using WordPress. I hope now you are familiar with the how to create a website using WordPress. It was a great learning experience. If you have any doubt or queries, then feel free to ask us. We will try to resolve all of them. And if you want to know about me, so what you can do, just open a Google tab or go on Google, search that Neet Shivai and hit enter. You will get all the details about me. Okay. From website, GitHub, LinkedIn, Twitter, Instagram, FB. From everywhere you can find out about me. If you want to contact me, connect me, feel free. Okay. This is GitHub and this is my website. So I hope you also enjoyed this learning. See you in our next course. And this is my website. You can also contact me from here. Okay. So bye bye and take care.